I get kills.
I know, it's the only chance I got.
Yeah.
My best matches are the bounce ball things.
You guys can have your 100 HP matches. We'll take over the one HP one shots.
Yeah, I can get lucky every now and then.
Exactly.
And I'll keep my 2000 HP matches.
Oh, jeez.
Keep the
There
long
can
game.
be only one.
I haven't done it yet, but I would like to set up some, like, where you only get one life. Like, I want to have some game modes where there's actually a little bit more strategy, so it's not just mindless jumping around and shooting all the time. Because I always like playing, like, the Battle Royale style games and stuff, too, like Call of Duty or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, I'm hoping I'm hoping uh, they'll add like grenades, which would be really sick.
Yeah.
And like when they eventually release more customizations for individual games, like it would be great if you could. Like, I feel like the bullets are so slow. I feel like I'm like Tom Brady every time I'm trying to like make a shot, and I gotta lead someone like 3 steps ahead to hit them with a regular pistol bullet.
Ah. Man. Damn it.
Oof. Are you doing worse than
The
me?
other hack is if you suck, you bring up the leaderboard and you scroll down, and then you just leave it down the whole time. So every time you pull it up, it looks like you're like kind of near the top.
Right?
So it's good.
A little feel good.
Yeah, it just makes you feel good. Like, yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I'm
Yeah.
on the leaderboard. I'm on the first
Easy.
screen.
I've made that mistake a couple of times, right? I scroll it down and then I forget that I'm that far down. I bring it up. I'm like, oh shit, I'm near the top of the leaderboard. I'm doing good.
Scroll up and Dang has 42 kills.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I only had 4 kills. We must have ran out of time. Oh
Yeah.
no. Someone's got
Right.
50 kills.
I'm gonna quit trying to play with the strategy and I'm just gonna fucking spray and pray at this point.
That is my strategy.
I'm not even gonna hop. I'm just gonna walk around like a fucking zombie.
It's a bold move.
Bold move, Cotton.
Yeah.
Well, since I've employed the strategy, I've got 400 times the amount of kills that I had to start with. I was 1 and now I have 6 even, so, you know, it's paying
Oh,
off pretty
shit.
well.
Oh, yeah.
Jumping around wasn't helping me any.
We'll set up your workshop.
Learn from a legend.
Yeah, the key is just to walk around slowly and just take people
Shut
out like a
sprint off.
gangster.
Learn from a legend how to be a noob. That's my workshop, bro.
Yeah.
You can't take that one.
9 months noob.
Yeah.
Here's how to suck at the game and still have fun.
Come on, X-Wade. Shield down. Oh, no, never mind.
My strategy is just whoever kills me, I'm taking snapshots and I'm not including them in the bloom raffle at the end.
Ooh.
Ooh, there you go.
Let's go.
There's
Make-
no way I'm getting that. Kaiba.
Why don't you put on your Big Beaver outfit then, Misfit? That way we all know who to not shoot.
I'm in the top 10.
Love the wah 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 music telling me I did bad when I already knew. Just like rub it in a little bit more.
Alright, let me see if I can start up a dodgeball one.
Gotta pull out my whisker beard.
Get him. Oh, did I make it? Good.
Alright, I'm going for Whisker Beard.
Calling you out, Jacob.
Am I the only one wearing Whisker Beard here?
No,
No.
I was just trying to get him towards you, not me.
Who's the car? Is that
Yeah, right, I
X-Wade?
just see that.
No, it's me, sir.
Is it? Okay.
You don't know if I'm alive or dead with this thing. It just always looks dead. No animation.
Dirty. Uh, Saw Whisker Beard jumping up out of a hole in the top of the volcano here.
How the hell did I just run through the middle and not get anything done?
Oh no! Jesus! Come on, Mido. Come on, Mido. Too afraid to go to the middle.
It dies and it just sits there, and I shoot it like 5 more times. In the meanwhile, I get killed.
I always run out of ammo because I'm too afraid to go to the middle.
I know.
It's scary.
Oh yeah, when I first set this game up, I started people with like no ammo, and I was just gonna have everyone rush to the middle, like dodgeball style, and just see what happens. But when you're in the middle of a match and you respawn with no ammo and everyone else has it and they're shooting it, it doesn't work out
Yeah,
so well.
that'd be tough.
Yeah.
Becomes king of the mountain at that point.
Yeah, I had to be a little back off a little bit. It would be cool if they added like a King of the Hill or something in here. Someone made it sound like they have some game updates coming soon.